Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Boss George. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how you can sell in your WhatsApp in a way that a professional, in a way that you don't have to worry about responding people, reply people, so you can be sure your head, so boom 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 boom. Okay guys, so we are going now to menu, and you select your WhatsApp. Okay, this thing that I'm gonna share with you guys, it's only apply for people who use WhatsApp GB. They understand? It's not used for the other WhatsApp, the regular WhatsApp or the business WhatsApp. It's not used for those type of WhatsApp. It's only used for GB WhatsApp, guys. So now, if you are watching here, you see we have Onika was online today, 10 just now on WhatsApp. Yeah, you can see Elephant today 8, and Robin today, and that no, just so you don't want to see when people, you don't want people see when you work connect. You just don't want them to know about your business, so, and you just, okay, if you check Onika right now, you click to Onika and you might see that she's online, waiting to see, but doesn't show that. Okay, so you don't go. A few people might be online. I don't text with a lot of people. You can see that's all I have. So guys, okay, let's go to the setting. Okay, you press here selling, GB selling, and you press you press GB selling, and you press privacy and security, and you press now. The thing that I was trying to explain to you, it was like freeze last seen. So when you freeze your last scene, people won't see your last scene or the last time that you were connect, so people won't see that. Okay, I have it like a regular WhatsApp, and people see when I'm online or not, but now I'm gonna freeze the last scene. Okay, by freezing the last scene, if you go back now in the page, to see now you don't see if at the time someone was online or not, you only see the last message the person sent to you. So why you don't see the time the person was online? Because if you don't allow anyone to see the time your last scene, nobody will see your last scene, and you either will see someone last scene. It works that way. Just if you don't want someone do something to you, you don't do it to that person. So now we going back to a selling to know about the contacts, how it work. So now we are here. So guys, like when someone texts you and that person, you read the message, or you don't feel like you can read the message now, or you can read the message, but if you read the message and the person will see you read the message, you don't reply the person right away, so it can cause a problem. So this person can mistrust you. So that's why you decide to learn about that, and you will not have any problem with someone. So now you press contact, hide blue ticks. Hide blue ticks is when someone sends you a message, and the message come, you read the message, the person gonna see that you read the message, it's gonna show a blue ticks, and if you don't want it show the blue ticks, you press that, and that's it. No blue tick will show. So now it say hide second tick. Okay, the second tick is when they send you a message, and to tell them that you have internet on your phone, they show two ticks. The second tick, first one and the second one. The first one is saying that you don't have internet on your phone. Your phone is not connected on internet. But the second tick says that you have internet, but the message hasn't seen yet. You have not read the message. So if you press hide second tick, you only will have, when they send you a message, they only will see one tick, and they might think that, wow, this guy is not online since when was that? I sent him that message 2 weeks ago, since now I can't find him. They will say that. So you put it that way, and that's it. You will solve that problem. Now we are going down. Hide blue microphone. When they send you a not voice, and they always show that when you listen to the not voice, there is a blue microphone. They put the microphone blue, and if you don't want them see that, you select this. The same way for typing. Hide typing. When you're texting with someone and the person online, you're online and you typing, that show the person is typing, and it show you're typing, both of you typing. If you don't want that show, you hide, you select this. It's the same thing for recording. You don't want anybody know when you start to record. You don't want anybody know when you start to record. You press that, and that's it. So now we are going to groups. Change privacy setting for groups. You go there and change privacy setting. It's just the same way. When you send a message in a group, and you always check back to see who read your message. Like, if you don't want people see when you read their message, you just hide blue ticket. If you don't want them to know if the message delivered to your phone, you hide second ticket. If you don't want blue microphone, you just select blue microphone. If you don't want, when you're typing, show that boss judge is typing. No, I don't want that. You hide typing. If you don't want hide recording, you select that. Okay, now we are going down there in broadcast. Change privacy setting. It's just the same way, guys. Like, you don't want, when you're blue ticket, you don't want blue ticks, you don't want second tick, you don't want a blue microphone. You hide all of them, and you go about your business. Make it quickly. I don't want you to to spend more time, but that is something that is gonna help you. Now we go in. Who can call me? Yeah, who can call me? That's one of important question people always ask, but they don't know how to prevent it joins some people to call them. So let's go. You choose that. Okay, now I had it like everyone can call me, but it's not a good way, like accepting everyone call you. No, that sounds a little bit crazy. Everyone, even a foolish man, can call you. No. Okay, to stop that, you say, okay, my contacts can call me. Okay, when it comes that way, only people that in your contacts will have access to call you. But if someone you don't know, or you may know that person, but you don't have his contact, he's gonna try to call you for first time. When he trying to call you, he won't get you because you don't allow him. He doesn't have access to call you. You just boom, you put it that way. Okay, now You don't want everybody call you. You want your contacts, but there are a few people in your contact that you don't want them to call you. Yeah, you go through that. You press this one, accept. My contact, accept. And you press the person that you don't want. If fine, you trying to get their names, and then you boom. Okay, now I'm gonna put that Alexandra. I'm gonna put let me see, Alicia. I'm gonna put right there, like, okay, Jama. I'm gonna put, and then press that, and everything jiggy. Now, so now those people can't call me. You see what I'm saying? Even they try to do whatever they want to do, they only can call me directly. Okay, so if you want, now we're gonna change. If you want now to select few people that you have, the most people that you have a good, deep relationship, people that you care about and they care about you, you only want them to call you. You select them now. You select, if trying to get their names, and select their names, and after you select like this, yeah, I select anyone. And those are people who have access to call you now. And that's it. If you say nobody, I don't want nobody today, I feel tired, I don't want to answer phone, I don't want to pick up, I don't want people to call me today, you just do that. Nobody, even your mom, your wife, your daughter, your boss, whoever it is, you don't want people to call you today. And that's it. Okay, we come back now. We come back. Those are things that I want you to know, like disabled forwarded, like when someone sends you a message and you want to transfer that message for someone else, so you don't want to show that this message from to somebody else. You want to show that this message is your message. You're the one who sent that message to them. You press that. And okay, people always want to delete some message after they send it to you. So that's why this one, anti-delete message here, is for that. Even they delete it in their phone or delete for everyone, the message will always be on your phone. Yeah, show blue ticket after reply. You don't do that. Just leave it that way. There. Now, hide view status. You see that? Hide view status. So when you view, you see there's somebody's status. That person won't see that. Right here, anti-delete status. People sometimes put some status and then delete it once. Sometimes it's come up by mistake, but they delete it. But that's not your problem. Even they delete it from their phone, you will still have it on your phone, guys. That I want you to know. That's why I create that video for you guys. You know what I'm saying? That's why. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop here for today, and I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I will come with a lot of things. Guys, I mostly work on motivation speech and trying to help you to develop yourself in a way that you can do something meaningful for your community. You can help your family, you can also help yourself. I want you to be someone different in life, but to be someone different in life, you have to try to do things different. You cannot keep on doing things the same ways that you have always done before. You have to do it different. Learn to do things in a good way. Don't just do it for doing it. Do it and respect what you do. Subscribe to my channel. Activate the notification. And boom, See you next time in the next video. Bye. Hey, sorry guys. Right. And everybody, just like this. I, just like this, and I didn't.